My name is Vincent, and this is my UCOSP Winter 2015 final demo video. I'm currently working on a file provider framework, which allows users to upload files from online file providers, such as Dropbox and Google Drive. Last time we left off, I have implemented the file providers module and two resources for Web API. Since this endpoint interacts with the file provider account, or this endpoint interacts with the nodes on the file provider, such as the files and the directories. Since then, I've changed it up a bit, so the endpoint now has the Web API has now three endpoints: file provider, which provides information on different file providers, such as Dropbox and Google Drive; file provider account, which interacts with the account, which is previously known as file provider; and a file provider node, which is exactly the same as file provider file. I've also done some work on the front end for uploading files and creating file provider accounts. So if you go to update and click add file, you'll notice the modal now has tabs. This default tab shows a default upload mechanic, whereas you click on this one, it shows a new mechanic for uploading files from file providers. So you can click on account, select the account you use, such as you can use Drop-in Test, which is a test provider I used, or Fallbox Test, which is another test provider I implemented. As you can see, Fallbox Test implements search, so there's a search field here. So you can type things like type in file names to find files that are similar to the file name you're looking up. So I can type in 1.j and it'll find information regarding it. So I can click on them and give information about them on the right. So this one's the name is 1.jpg. It's found. Its full path is pics/1.jpg. Whereas this one, I can click on this and it can provide me with different information. Notice it has a different path, so they're two different objects. So if I were to clear the search path, it will take me back to the root that I can just navigate. So I can go to test, go back, go to pictures, see everything in pictures. If I were to search in here for 1.j, it will show me two different ones again. And then if I were to clear it, it will take me back where I currently left off, which is at pics. So I guess I can upload 1.jpg, type in something like testing for file provider in the caption, and click upload, and it'll upload it onto the review request. Currently, the test provider will just upload a fish trophy onto the review. So if you give it you scroll down, you can see the fish trophy is uploaded and it has the caption, testing for file provider. Over here on the My Accounts page, users can create and delete file provider accounts. As you can see, I've added a page just for that. So normally there's API tokens, profiles, and the other pages, and I added a file provider accounts page as well. So over here, you can click on delete button to remove accounts, or you can also create accounts too. So I can click here, pick Fallbox Test, type in something like testing, and create the account. Let me go back to this old review and just refresh the page. So normally, when you click these buttons, you would submit a form to the server to either delete or create or make changes. However, on this page, instead of submitting a form, it will make API calls to the server and update the page accordingly. And these messages at the top will be displayed similar to what you would see when you submit a form. As an example for now, I can click on create account, show how errors are displayed. So it displays errors here. If you go back to the review, you go to update add file, you can see the changes are propagated. So if you go to here, click account, you can see that the old one, test2, was deleted and the new one, testing, was created. And this concludes my demo video.